How to log in to HMRC Self Assessment. So if you want to log into HMRC Self Assessment account, then first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then go for HMRC Self Assessment Login. Once you click that, here you can go for the first search, which is HMRC Online Services. Scroll down, go for sign in, and again scroll down, and here you need to enter your ID. So you need to enter your user ID, which will be up to 12 characters. So simply enter that user ID here, and then you need to enter your password here on this blank. And once you enter your user ID and then your password, you need to simply click on sign in. And once you click on sign in, if your credentials are correct, like if your user ID and if your password is correct, then it will log you into your account. So you need to simply enter your user ID and password and click on sign in, and that's how you sign into your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.